The digital TV box remote has the ability to learn some functions from your TV remote. In order to do that, place both remotes facing each other, especially with the infrared pointing at each other. The functions that the set-top box remote can learn are the power on and off for your TV, the source, the volume up and volume down. So to begin, press the set button on the digital TV box remote. Press and hold for about 3 seconds. You'll see that the red LED will light up brighter and it is solid. We'll press the power button and you'll see that it is blinking. Next, press the power button on your TV remote and you'll see that it blinks rapidly for a while and then it stays constant. Once that is constant, you press set and it will have transferred the power capability from a TV remote over to your digital set-top box remote. You can repeat the same procedure for source, volume up and volume down. Let's try one more time and let's set the source to be transferred from the TV remote over to the digital set-top box remote. So we press the set button for about 3 seconds. Once it's lit up, we press the source and then we press the source on the TV remote and finally we press set again. So this is how you transfer the learning from your TV remote over to your digital set-top box remote.